Now let's look at multiple conditions using if, elif and else. Income is equal to input to know your tax, enter income in lakhs, income equal to. So this string will be printed and asking user to enter the value of income, and obviously the income value is assigned to the variable income. And before assigning the value to income, it is converted into the float. If income is less than 2.5 lakhs, then print nil, no taxes at all. If income is between 2.5 lakhs and 5 lakhs, pay 5% income tax will be printed. If income is between 5 lakhs and 10 lakhs, then pay 12,500 plus 20% of total income exceeding 5 lakhs. If income is greater than 10 lakhs, then pay 1,12,500 plus 30% of total income exceeding 10 lakhs. So this is the logic. Now let's run this code. To know your tax, enter income in lakhs, income equal to, let's say if I enter 2.2 lakhs and press enter, nil, no taxes at all. Rerun this. Now enter 2.8 lakhs, pay 5% tax because 2.8 is between 2.5 and 5. Let's rerun this code. Now enter 5.5. So 5.5 lakhs is between 5 and 10 lakhs. So pay 12,500 plus 20% of total income exceeding 5 lakhs. Let's rerun. Now enter 10.1 lakhs. Pay 1,12,500 plus 30% of total income exceeding 10 lakhs. I hope multiple conditions with if and elif is clear. Thank you.